Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Excessive2 and I'm so sorry. Today was supposed to be a wheel reveal video, but they got back ordered until July, so I'm gonna have to wait till July. But I'm not gonna tell you guys just yet what the wheels are. That's gonna be a surprise. I thought I could have surprised you guys with the wheel reveal, but they got back ordered, so we're just gonna have to wait. Right now I have the tires really bald, so I'm gonna have to go change them right now with my stock tires that I had on for the first time on my car, and they are on my old wheels, as you can tell. But yeah, sucks I can't get my wheels right now, but we're just gonna have to wait till July, maybe August. So yeah, as you can tell, there's something different on my car. It is the quick release kit. I finally did install it, so the bumper won't fall off. You just push these two buttons and the bumper should pop off with a couple screws below the car. So yeah, I'm so happy about the quick release kit. It was so easy to install. It just took a while, but yeah, I had to drill into my bumper, and it's just like a quick release push mechanism on the car. I'm so happy about that. I'm so hyped. But yeah, that was my boy Marcos with the charger. It was it's a Scatpack. It's really nice with that octane red. Sounds pretty nice. It's bone stock exhaust, and it sounds super nice still. And it has a caravan tips with that little wing that goes on the chargers. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright, so we are gonna go put on the tires because they're bald. See you there. So yeah guys, I just got my tires changed in the rears, and now we got the stock wheels in the back. Now I'm at Taco Bell getting a Baja Blast Freeze because I like them. But yeah, so I'm sorry that I couldn't do a wheel reveal. Unfortunately, wheels are back ordered, so it sucks, but whatever. And if you guys have any questions on the quick release kit install, just comment down below. I didn't want to do like a install video. Just let me know if you have any questions. Yeah, this is just an update video because couldn't get my wheels in. I mean, the quick release is pretty cool. I do recommend it for if your like bumper is falling off, or if you want to take it off easier, you just push the two buttons. You should be good to go. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, I got a new mic, so you can hear me a little better in the vlogs. Man, this car is so fun. I would do like a video where it's like 5 things I hate about the Veloster, but honestly, there's not that much to hate. I mean, like, the plastic bumper parts are cheap, but you're gonna get that with a lot of cars. But yeah, there's not that much to hate in this thing. It's a fun car, very sporty. So I don't know why some people hate this car. It's so fun to drive. We're just driving around at this point, enjoying the new tires on my car. I'm so happy I don't have to stress about those tires. I don't have to stress about the bumper falling off. Now the quick release is on. Yeah, that's how it is right now. But yeah, we're just driving around, enjoying the drive. that's what we do. The car community just enjoys driving around wherever you want. Just enjoy it. Stay positive. Think positive all the time. Don't let anything get in the way. If you have a vision, you pursue it. Don't let anybody else tell you what to do. Don't let anyone... I mean, you can take some advice, but it's all what you want to do in life and in your car build, whatever it is. That's why I am doing an all-white theme for myself, not anybody else. Some people don't like doing all-white, but I am doing an all-white theme. And that is a hint for the wheel that I'm getting. It's going to be white, that's all I'm going to say. I'm not going to say the brand, but it is going to be white. I owe you guys to tell you guys what color wheel it is, because you guys expected a wheel reveal this time, but it did not happen. Hopefully it happened in the next couple months. We'll see. Thank you guys for all the support and appreciation. I always comment back to every single person, so just ask me any questions, comment down below, anything you guys want. That was a quick pull right there. Let me guys know if you guys want to get another blowout valve, or do you want me to get another blowout valve. It sounds a little louder. That would be pretty cool. Just let me know what would be best for my car build, just to see what you guys would want to see. It would be cool to see your guys' perspective on it. Look at that. Just driving around feels so nice with a fresh pair of rear tires. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for driving around with me, and I hope to see you guys soon in the next video. I am excessive. I don't know why that guy didn't go, but whatever. I'm excessive too. Bye.